Welcome to Art of Cake. I know it seems like something to do is just to throw sprinkles at your cake, but it's gonna make for a super messy kitchen. So I will show you the way to do it. You're gonna get a little tray like this, hang your cake off of the turntables. I go almost like a third of the way. Get some of your sprinkles. I take some bigger balls off. And then you're gonna just get as close as you can. I know it's gonna feel weird because you don't want to mess up this nice icing that you did, but it's okay because it's gonna get covered in sprinkles anyway. So grab a handful of sprinkles and don't be afraid to get tight. You kind of just push them in, spin, push, spin. You'll have some of this mess. Just drop it down to your tray. You know, for freehanding it, this is pretty straight line, so you can actually get fairly straight. And I know you'll have holes and stuff, but you can go in and just fill in the hole. Pour. Feels strange at first because it's just a little awkward, but once you do it a few times, you'll get the hang of it. And just like everything, you know, you just have to practice. And it didn't really take that much. This is a 7-inch cake. I would say I just spun it how many times? You know, like just 3 times or something. And then you're pretty much done. It's okay if it's a little messy. I like that. The only thing is that when you drop it in with your hand, sometimes all the balls need to stick together. Just get a little white here. This is actually called a super sprinkle at Evercake. And we sprinkles on the side, and then we do a bunch on top. All done.